Greetings. I'm the Dreadlock Wonder. It is Dreadlock Wonder Wednesday. And this is just a quick vid about, yet again, about supporting Black owned. We got the Thank You for Loving Me by P Persona himself. And we got the Micro T. Feel me? We're gonna give him a shot. And just in case y'all wanna send something to the P.O. box, shit me. Where my Debbie at? You know, buy Black, bro. It's one thing when you real like rah when, you know, killings and riots is happening, but this is an all year, not just Black Friday. I mean, whoa, excuse me. That's a whole nother topic. But not just Black History Month, not just when bad shit is going on, always. Yeah, that was a threat. Fuck what you talking about? Always buy Black, always support Black. Me and my friend just came back from a Black-owned coffee shop. We could have went to Dunkin', that was a couple blocks away. We could have went to Starbucks. But nah, shout out to them, you know, they good things, but I'm Black, so I want to support the people that look like me. Shit me. Hence, the Micro sample. Shout out to this man, bro. He's such a good, just a genuinely good person. Like, for real. Like, we met on IG, but I feel like I really, know him, you know? Got the extra packaging. Peace by Micro, that's fire. Sample. Sorry for the lighting. One of my things broke. And you know, man's got the 2XL, because I've been liking this is a good quality tee, too. It's not no gilding and shit. Shit me. Yeah, sample in the front. The little logo at the chest, right chest, and on the back. This is why I fuck with it, because it's upside down and it's like sample. It says I love, supposed to say you. That's his thing. This is a garment. This garment is a sample.
I just can't read.
With no intentions of being finished. Also, if you're reading this, I love you. That's fire. That reminds me of the which I don't know if he has inspiration by that, but it reminds me of the Kanye lyric. What did he say? He said, if I get locked up, I won't finish the scent. That's what it reminds me of. And he's supposed to say sentence. Jimmy, I love you. Oh, there's another piece of his. This is where that comes from, for those that don't know. Shit me, I love you, Micro. And speaking of Black businesses, I would be a fool if I didn't mention my own. So the background, as you can tell, is some burlap, which we use as the base of our rugs. Me and my friend launching a rug business. A.elliott rugs. Shit me. Well, it's just A.elliott, because we're gonna do way more than rugs. But right now, we focus on rugs. So that's why the background is like that. Stay tuned for that. Links will be in description. And 144, my clothing line. This is the new bag. Shit me. That's will be released. I'm not sure when I'm dropping this video, but it is either released or will be releasing very soon. Shit me, spring vibes. And this hoodie as well. I'm not sure. This is hand crocheted by your boy, so I'm not sure when it's coming out. I still gotta mess with the hood a little. I like it for me, but I think it's a little too big for the average person. And it's cropped, a tad, with the extended sleeves, but hand crocheted. This took me like a couple days, bro, crocheting. So get your funds ready if you want one. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna try it on for y'all. You probably already seen that though. But yeah, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Buy Black, and I'm out of here.